What's up, tartelettes? It's Deanna, and yes, I look a mess right now, but we will change that. Today is a really crazy busy day for me because I am working from home and I have Ryan here with me because he's been sick and I can't send him to the babysitter with the other kids there. So it's really hard working at home with the baby here. I don't know how people do it because I give you a lot of credit. It is very hard. Usually if I work from home, he's still going to the babysitters. So this is really a challenging day. He is laying down for a nap right now. So I'm gonna do this quick, easy tutorial and I'll show you guys the products that I'm using and we'll fix up this whole thing. But yeah, let's get right to it. You don't wanna go night-night? No. You don't wanna go night-night for mama? No? So he's clearly not sleeping, so I have a limited amount of time that I can do this. So let's get to it. So for starters, we're gonna be using our Found Sealer. This is our new vegan skincare foundation, and I have been dying for this to come out. I'm just gonna put it in my fingertips because when I'm doing this, you know, on the go really fast, you can use your fingertips. So I'm just gonna do that and apply for just some light coverage. You can use your fingertips, you can use a sponge if you want a little bit more coverage. If you want full coverage, you can use the brush. So I typically, like on a normal everyday, would use the sponge. These trucks outside, I'm sorry, this is so real life, it's not even funny. As I was saying, on a typical day, I would use a sponge to apply this, but when I'm, you know, strapped for time, I use my fingertips. And then next I'm going in with our Amazonian Clay waterproof brow pencil, and I love this. I am kind of like letting my brows grow right now. Say hi. As you can see, that did not last very long, so we've got Ryan here. Say hi. You say hi? Say hi. Oh. Did you just burp on camera? Alright, so next I'm going to do our Tarte Pro Glow and Blush. And I love this because it has so many things in one. So you have blush, bronzer, highlighter, and I use the blush in my crease as a shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. Wanna help mama? Go ahead and take this shade right here and pop that in my crease. So with the same palette, I'm taking this bronzer right here and just giving my cheeks some chisel. Then I'm gonna pop on some blush. Don't have my usual blush brush over here, so we're just gonna go with this one. And I'm going to use this shade right here, this like coral shade. Taking this highlighter right here, just going to highlight some of the high points of my cheek, down the bridge of my nose. See yourself in there? Now I'm just popping on some of our Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Okay, you can't take that. Oh, thank you. Thank you. You hold it for mama? Here you go. You take that. You like that? Is that pretty? All right, buddy. And then I'm just taking our lip quench in the shade Nude. I always have this with me. Popping that on for a subtle hint of color and ultra hydration. And then I always have our Pearly Girl teeth whitening pen with me because sometimes I run out the door and I don't have time to brush my teeth, so. And judge me all you want, but yes, sometimes I need to do this instead of brushing my teeth when I'm on the go. Right, Rye? Right, Rye? What do you think? And then lastly, I have our Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. I like to use this just to freshen up my hair sometimes. And moving away from him because I don't want to get this on him, this is our Hair Goals Dry Shampoo. And I just kind of throw this in for a little extra life in my hair, like this. And we're good to go. So that was a really quick and easy tutorial using just a couple products. I'll link them all down below, but thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Kitty dad, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.